Hey cadets, congratulations to all you bag holders, veterans, and newbies. Bitcoin has been soaring to a new all-time high, and some speculators think that the newly approved Bitcoin ETF has been the catalyst. Although we beg to differ, we're going to break down the new Bitcoin ETF in 2 minutes, or maybe 3. But before we do that, please help support our channel by clicking that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all of the videos and cool things that we're doing. First, we have to explain what the an ETF is. For all you Wall Street bet apes out there, you're probably familiar with the S&P 500 ETF, which is SPY. ETF stands for Exchange and Traded Fund, which is a type of security that tracks an index or commodity or other asset. In this case, Bitcoin. So what does this exactly mean? A Bitcoin ETF mimics the price of the digital currency, allowing investors to buy into the ETF without trading Bitcoin itself. You may be thinking, why on earth would anyone want to trade an index and not real Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin can be complicated for new users, and it's a lot riskier than the traditional stock market. Think about the first time that you bought Bitcoin. Maybe it was through Coinbase or an ATM or directly through a friend, or maybe you haven't bought any yet. Press F in the chat for those. But chances are that you weren't really sure what you were doing at the beginning. Investing in a Bitcoin ETF cuts out any issues of complex storage and security procedures required by cryptocurrency investors. You don't really need to worry about writing down your private key, buying a hardware wallet, completing KYC to trade on crypto exchanges, and so on. It allows both new and seasoned investors to purely speculate on the price and only focus on gains and losses without having to deal with the technical aspect that comes with the world of crypto. Trading Bitcoin ETFs will also cut out the headaches of crypto taxes because you haven't traded any real crypto. All capital gains taxes will be reported with the rest of your gains or losses in the stock market. ProShares, a provider of specialized exchange-traded products, began trading on the Bitcoin Strategy Fund on October 19th, 2021, making this the first Bitcoin ETF to trade in the US. The first of many, if you ask us. Although new crypto ETFs face heavy scrutiny and will have to jump through endless hoops of regulation, BITO has pioneered the way and proved that it is possible. The door to crypto ETFs has just been opened and there's no closing it anymore. What crypto ETFs do you think will be approved in the near future? Ethereum? Litecoin? Solana? Or maybe you think altcoins have no place in the ETF market. Also, our friends over at DeFi Summit are throwing Decentral Con at the end of November in Miami. We'll put a discount link for the tickets in the description. If you're around, we'd really love to see you there. Drop us a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. HODLing has paid off. Don't forget to secure your crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.